Hello there in YouTube land and welcome back to the channel. And today, well, I'm going to test this little harness that I got. It's a GoPro harness and we're going to test it while we try and clean and detail the bikes. So let's get on it then. All right, so I hope you're getting a good shot. So the first thing we need when we are detailing the bikes, or at least cleaning them, is one of these things. I don't know if you can see it. Ow, 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 my fingers. All right, one of these, right? So that you can sit on it. Okay, we're gonna start. So we're gonna start with this thing. It's a bug remover. So I'm just gonna spray all of them on the front wherever you see bugs. So they start dissolving the bugs. You can see my bikes are pretty dirty, all of them, but I haven't had a chance to do anything with them. I've been riding them all. I mean, it's been weeks since I've done anything on them. And I'm running most of my products I'm running low on, so hope that I get enough. All right, so that's enough. I don't see any more bugs. Okay. Let's put the collection of products right here. All right, next thing is this one. So this is very good, but I'm running low on it. I hope I have enough. So instead of getting water, you can use this product and just spray on it, and it's gonna help you clean without the need for water. As you can see, my windscreen here on my Yamaha R7 is terrible, but that's why I bought a new one, and we're going to do a video of the installation of that one. But I didn't want to do that video with the bike all dirty, so let's make sure we clean them up before. As you can see, the bugs are almost all dissolved, and I mean almost. Oh, this little thing. All right. Oh, that's a scratch right there. Okay, so this one, what it's gonna do is just gonna give it a good clean of all the dirt. So it doesn't need to be spick and span or anything. It just needs to clean the excessive dirt off of the bikes. So as you can see, this is not a detailing job. Right now it's just cleaning off all of the excessive dirt off of the bike, which I have a lot. And we're going to leave the wheels for later because the rag is going to get too dirty from the wheel dirt. So leave that for later. Right now, just give it a good clean from the excess of riding in the rain. This is what happens when you don't have a car and you commute on your bikes every single day.
Saturday detailing bikes, building with the first. Getting ready for some lights. How to quench this thirst. I'm sucking
Well, I didn't realize that my battery had died, but after a few hours, I think, maybe an hour, 10 minutes, and all these products, the bikes are ready. Let's see if you can check them out. And that is why I need the new windscreen, but that video coming soon, but check them out. Not too shabby, I think. They look nice.
Great success.
Now, I didn't have time to finish the wheels on this one, especially the back one. I didn't even take out the bags because I got tired. But now for the finishing touches on the Harley, which is the secret recipe, the secret sauce. Let me show you guys. Turtle wax, chrome polish. I've had this for a while. Even before I bought this bike, I bought this for the Fat Boy, but it's been great. It's just polish. So, very simple, wax on, wax off situation going here. Man. Ran out of cloths, and now final touch is this conditioner for the seat. I ran out of shampoo, but this one is great. It just makes the seat shine and it protects it so you can keep your bike outside in the elements and it'll last forever. Oh, I forgot this thing. Very important because this is the one you see when you're riding. Anyway, get some conditioner there. It still shines. Okay. All right, so now I'm gonna take a quick spin on each one of these bikes and see what type of shot we get from this mount. Ooh, there's no gas at all. So I know exactly where I'm going. Gas station. I don't even know if the microphone is going to record because I have it just out here on my shirt. Ooh. All right, so let's see if that's a good shot or not. Don't, please don't. Thank you. Man. It says that I'm gonna run out of gas in 4 miles. The good thing is the gas station is close by. That is one beautiful bike. Okay. So let's try the Suzuki now. Let's see what kind of shot we get, even though it's night already. I don't know if we're going to get anything. But it was nice riding our bike. good shot. That looks like a much better shot, much better angle. Gas station because this bike is already gassed up. Let's see if this light is enough to get a good shot. Okay, I don't know if we can see anything, but it is all cleaned up and ready to shine. Such an awesome looking bike, man. I just love her. Love her to death. And it's so much fun to ride too. Oh, now we need to do a U-turn, and turns out I don't know how to do U-turns. Improving. Finally, we'll try Black Pearl. I think this is going to be a terrible shot, but maybe not that terrible. Depends on what you want to see. If you want to see the road, this is obviously not going to work. This one is also going to start, so they don't want to get hit with no copyright infringement, so going to look pretty terrible, and you're just going to see this, no road at all. Stop in the same place, but I'm going to do the U-turn first because it's the hardest thing to do. I'm not going to be able to do this. There's no way. Nope, no freaking way. I have to stop. Okay. Tracy Chapman, the cousin of Michael Jackson. Huh. Bet you didn't know that, huh? Well, according to Janet, Samuel L. Jackson, Tracy Chapman, and Stevie Wonder are all cousins of her and the Jacksons. All right, check it out. That is a pretty friggin' bike. And it's gonna look a lot better with that new headlight. But, well, that video is also coming soon. Well, that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you get a good shot from this mount. Remember, if you like the videos, to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Share it with all your friends. Don't like the videos, share them with all your enemies. And I'll see you guys on the next one.